Hello students of class 10th. Let's start today in SST study. Today is geography. Okay. I am as your SST teacher. Today I will start geography first chapter. Okay. Chapter 1, resources and development. You know students, means development, it is totally based on resource. Whatever resources we have, means we will develop according to use of those resources. Okay. And resources is the capital of any country. Whatever in any country, those are, means depend on richness of their resources. Okay. So today what is resources? Resources is that everything, whatever means around it to us, whatever is scattered, which satisfy our need, means by which we can satisfy our need, that is resource. Okay, by the use of, means we become satisfied, and those resources also should be culturally acceptable and appreciable economically, means in this way those things we will accept as resource. As you know, as example, soil, plant, car, solar energy, means these are also kind of resources, means these things we will use for satisfy our needs. As soil, means soil is fertile, it is natural resource, means resources also divide into majorly 2 points: human resource and natural resource. Okay, under to natural resource will come soil, plant, solar energy. But car, because car made by we human beings, we have made car, so car will come under to human made resource. Okay, means in this way we can discuss that, means all the things whatever is scattered everywhere, those things which satisfy our needs, that's called resources. Okay, now we will discuss about the classification of resources. Okay students, as you know, means जो संसाधन है, उन्हीं संसाधनों के यूज पर, उन्हीं के प्रयोग पर हम अपना विकास करते हैं, और वो देश उतना ही विकसित होता है जिस देश में वहाँ पे संसाधन अधिक मात्रा में पाया जाता है, क्योंकि संसाधनों का ही प्रयोग करके हम आगे अपना विकास करते हैं. ओके, सो रिसोर्स इज द सोल ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. ओके, I have explained what is resources. Now the classification of resources. Classification of resources means संसाधनों का वर्गीकरण. किस तरह से हमने संसाधनों का वर्गीकरण किया गया है, means how it's divided. Okay, first one is on the basis of origin. We have divided by the 4 ways. Okay, first one the basis of origin, second one on the basis of exhaustibility, third one on the basis of ownership, and fourth one on the basis of the status of development. Okay, so first we will discuss about the first on the basis of origin, उत्पत्ति के आधार पर. Okay, means on the basis of origin, it's biotic and abiotic. Biotic and abiotic means जैविक और भौतिक. Okay, means in this way those things will come under to biotic who have life, under to living things will come. Okay, like plants, all the flora, fauna, we human beings will come under to biotic resource, because we human beings also resource, our animals also resource, because they also we are using for satisfaction of our need. Okay, next one is abiotic. Under to abiotic things will come under to those, means natural things which have no life, like soil, solar energy, water, means these things, air, these things also as resource we are using, but it have no life. Okay, so next one is on the basis of exhaustibility, means how we will exhaust, how we will use it, on the base of it also, having two, renewable and non-renewable. What is renewable resource? You know, which resources we can reproduce. After using, we can make it, we can reproduce it for the next chance. Those will come under to renewable resource. And non-renewable resource means those things which will take a long period of geographical, geological period for the formation, like the fossil fuels. मीन्स फॉसिल फ्यूल्स जो है, जैसे कोयला है, उसके फॉर्मेशन में बहुत टाइम लगता है. एक बार अगर वो रिसोर्स खत्म हो गया कंट्री से, तो उसका फॉर्मेशन जल्दी नहीं हो पाएगा. इट विल कम अंडर टू नॉन रिन्यूएबल, सेम एज द फॉसिल फ्यूल्स एंड ऑयल्स आल्सो. ओके, दोज थिंग्स विल कम अंडर टू नॉन रिन्यूएबल. ओके, जिसको हम जल्दी से ना बना सके. और रिन्यूएबल में है जिसको हम बना सकते हैं, जैसे पेपर है, प्लांट है, ये रिसोर्सेज फॉरेस्ट से रिलेटेड जो भी चीजें हैं, वी कैन रिप्रोड्यूस, वी कैन ग्रो द प्लांट अगेन. ओके, सो दीज थिंग्स विल कम. नेक्स्ट वन, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओनरशिप. ओनरशिप, अकॉर्डिंग टू ओनरशिप आल्सो आवर रिसोर्सेज हैविंग मीन्स इंडिविजुअल, community based, national and international. Under to it will come individual resources much more means according to owner based. जैसे कोई किसी चीज का मालिक है, उसकी उस स्वामित्व के आधार पर भी उसका डिवीजन हुआ है संसाधन का. ठीक है, जैसे कुछ चीजें हैं यूजेबल हैं, वो किसी की पर्सनल होती हैं, कुछ कम्युनिटी की होती हैं. For example, we will take example of a hospital. हॉस्पिटल क्या है? प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल भी होता है, जिसमें इंडिविजुअल कुछ ही लोगों का जो है ट्रीटमेंट होता है, और कुछ कम्युनिटी बेस्ड होता है. जैसे गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल हुआ, तो गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में कोई भी जाकर के अपना ट्रीटमेंट करवा सकता है. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल. नेशनल, वॉट एवर means only for the use of nation peoples, that is national. And whatever resources means which having means authority of overall the world, over all the, you can say all the countries, that is international, you know, resource. For example of national resource, you know, our national airport, our national, you know, railway tracks, these things is the resource of national resource. Okay, but international resource, you know, related to sea. जैसे समुद्र में जो भी चीजें हैं, समुद्र का जो भी चैनल है, उसमें जो भी चीजें निकलती हैं रिसोर्सेज, उस पे पूरे वर्ल्ड का जो है उस पे पावर होता है. ओके, तो जैसे कुछ कंट्रियां होती हैं, उसमें आपस में वो होता है कंपटीशन कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उस पे ले लें, तो उसमें वर्ल्ड वार की पॉसिबिलिटी होती है. जैसे अभी आपने हाल में देखा चाइना जो है वो ज़्यादा प्लेसमेंट पे सी पे, जो आपके यहाँ जो यहाँ पे सी है, उस पे अरेबियन सी और जो भी है, उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कैप्चर करने के उसमें रहता है होड़ में. तो इससे वर्ल्ड वार की पॉसिबिलिटी होती है, बिकॉज इट इज़ द स्टॉक एंड इट इज़ द रिसोर्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड वाइड, नॉट फॉर वन कंट्री. ओके, next one is on the basis of the status of development. means status of development, जैसे जैसे उसका विकास हुआ है, उसके विकास के आधार पर भी हम उसका वर्गीकरण करते हैं. as the potential stock reserve, potential, you know, resources we have, but we have no idea how to use it. as you know, as the example, we have a stock much more, reserve we have, we can use in future, but not today because we have no idea about it. So okay, as the example, you know, means wind energy in Rajasthan, much more wind have power, but we are not using as we should use, because due to, you know, it's not being developed much more. उसकी ऐसी machines नहीं बनी है बहुत ज़्यादा कि उस विंड एनर्जी को हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने यूज में ला सके, बट वी कैन यूज इन फ्यूचर. ओके, तो हम उसका प्रयोग फ्यूचर में कर सकते हैं. So these are the classification of resources on the basis of origin, biotic, abiotic, on the basis of exhaustibility, renewable and non-renewable, and on the basis of ownership, individual, community, national, international, on the basis of status of development, potential, stock and result. Means we have to read it and write with example. देखो स्टूडेंट्स एग्जाम्पल लिखना बहुत जरूरी होता है, क्योंकि जब आप एग्जाम्पल देने लायक हो जाते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि कंटेंट आपके समझ में आया है. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट द नोट्स ऑन द पेयर विथ एग्जाम्पल. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस. Students, you know, as means resources is very important for the life and for the development. So development of resources means how we can develop the resources, how we can conserve the resources. Okay, we will discuss under today. Means development of resources is very important. Without resource we cannot do anything else, we cannot make anything else, we cannot produce anything else for the using for the human generation. Okay, so resources is very important and we have to care it. So you know, means whatever the factors which means damage the resources we will discuss. You know, means under to it we have to use human resources. Whatever we are using, it is for our greed. Means some people want to use the resources much more. So individual persons, some persons, a handful of persons are using those resources much more carelessly. Okay, and they have no care about it. For example, water resource, you know, means water wasting at the home we are seeing every day. No one have care about it. Even it is the, you can say, means water is the everything for the human beings. No one can live without water. Means drinking water is very important, but people have no care it. Means a lot of people having submersibles, tubes, means they are using for their daily use much more water wasting as their domestic works. Okay, for example, women's wasting water, drinking water much more nowadays, because everyone's house having their submersible and they also owner of that, so they have no thinking about deeply it is drinkable water. We should means protect, we should conserve it. Okay, means कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनके हाथ में संसाधन की चीजें जो रिसोर्सेज हैं वो उनका बहुत ही तेजी से यूज कर रहे हैं, उसका दोहन कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, वेस्ट कर रहे हैं उसको, अपने यूज से ज्यादा उसको वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, इस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. एंड वन थिंग, a lot of resources into the hand of only some peoples, handful of persons. means poor peoples के पास तक वो resources का benefit नहीं पहुंचता है, बस rich persons के पास ही रह जाता है. ओके, तो इस तरह से वो नहीं पाते हैं, इसका असमान वितरण हो जाता है. ओके, and you know we have to care about it. Next one, sustainable economic development by the resource. What is sustainable development? Satat means whatever will run, means in future also, not present. We have to think about the resources for the future generation also, because we are getting those resources not for us only. We have to care about the next generation, because we have to hand over to them. हमको उनको हस्तांतरित करना है resources. So means under to sustainable development means human beings can develop without damaging, without harming the natural resources. means दूसरों को नुकसान न पहुंचे, हम अपना डेवलपमेंट करें लेकिन किसी तरह से कोई नुकसान कहीं पर ना हो. It is sustainable development because we have to care of next generation. We should not compromise with the means by the next generation. Okay, so means जो हमारे संसाधन हैं उनको हमें बहुत सोच समझ करके यूज करना चाहिए। केवल जितना जरूरत हो उतना ही यूज करना चाहिए, उसको वेस्ट कतई नहीं करना चाहिए। सो इट विल कम अंडर टू सस्टेनेबल बिकॉज इकोनॉमिकली वी आर डैमेजिंग थिंग्स, means it's also affect our economy. If our all the resources will be finished, will be lost, then economical system also will be affected next time, means coming generation. So we have to care about it and we have to plan. Resource planning is very important. Okay, resource planning is very important for the conservation of resources. Okay, means how many availability of resources in our country, what is the consumption of our countries of resources, it is very important to know. Okay, and according to availability we have to use and we have to stop just now the overutilization of resources. Okay, so it will be well for the welfare of our country. Resource planning in India, next headline, means in India resource planning is very important. आपको पता है स्टूडेंट्स कि भारत सदैव से ही प्राकृतिक संसाधनों का धनी देश रहा है, इसलिए इसको ऐसे यूज किया था ब्रिटिशर्स ने, रॉ मटेरियल प्रोड्यूसर, एज द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल एंड रिसोर्सेज, और ले जा करके उसको कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके मैन्युफैक्चर करके फिर ला करके इंडिया की वास्ट मार्केट में ही सेल भी करते थे। और यहाँ की प्राकृतिक संपदा तो ले ही गए, फिर यहाँ पे जो धन संपदा थी मार्केट में वही चीज़ें बेच करके यहाँ से लोगों से गोल्ड कॉइन्स भी बहुत सी मात्रा में ले गए। ओके, सो वॉट एवर कंडीशन ऑफ इंडिया यू नो वेल, वॉट एवर रिमेन स्टॉक we have to use it with planning. Okay, तो योजना बना करके रिसोर्स का हमको यूज करना है। we have to stop the overutilization and we have to use the resources only for the need, not for the greed. Okay, and because we have to hand over those natural things for the next generations. Okay, whatever we got as the whatever things we got by our forefathers, those natural resources, those resources we have to hand over our next generation to. It is our responsibility and it is the responsibility of each and every Indian and native. आप जहाँ पर भी रहें संसाधनों का कंजर्वेशन करें, मीन्स रिसोर्स कंजर्वेशन इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। जो भी संसाधन आपको वेस्ट होता दिखे आप उस पर एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक की तरह आवाज उठाएं और संसाधनों के दोहन को रोकना है, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन एंड आवर कमिंग डेज आल्सो। ओके, सो दिस पार्ट आई विल फिनिश टुडे। नेक्स्ट अबाउट द लैंड, you know what is land resource, I will discuss in second part. So students, you have to make the notes and read carefully about it, and as a responsible citizen, a responsible student, you have to conserve the resources also. Okay, thanks.